Hey YouTube, my name is Ron Henry, and it's safe to say that I'm a very serious lawn care fanatic. I'd like the opportunity to show you how to transform your lawn from this to this. Now, while it's easy to show before and after pictures, that's not really the important part. The important part in helping you get your lawn where you want it to be is understanding the process. It doesn't matter where you're starting. You could have some fresh sod that you're just trying to get healthy and get your lawn looking decent. Or you might have a lawn that's already established that you're just trying to take to that next level. I can help you out with both. I consistently publish videos on fertilization, weed control, top dressing, and of course mowing. I mean, lots and lots of mowing. That's where the magic is. Now, I've been at this for several seasons and I've tried tons of different techniques, tons of different fertilizers and things to keep the lawn healthy. So I can tell you what works and what doesn't work. I can save you a lot of time. I really hope you'll give me a chance and will subscribe to the channel. I'd really like to help you with your lawn care journey and look forward to interacting with you in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by.